Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, how do you like your truck?
Oh, it looks beautiful. Can't
Yeah.
wait to get it on the road.
How did you find out about the King Truck dealership?
Truckpaper.com.
So, how was our customer service here?
Excellent.
Excellent.
From the beginning to the end.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
How would you rate us? 1 the lowest, 5 the highest?
Oh, definitely a 5.
Definitely 5?
Yes, absolutely.
Well, I appreciate that. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
You bet.
So, would you recommend us to your friends and your family?
Definitely will.
Oh, okay.
You bet.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. We do financing too, even
Sure.
though you guys paid in cash.
Yes.
So we have a very good finance department here
Okay.
too. So if you have any friends and family they want to come and purchase here, we'll be more than happy to help them.
Sounds
Okay,
great. We'll
and
do it.
I would appreciate your referral.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much,
the
dear. It's a pleasure.
Appreciate it.